We're at the main facilities of Jonker Sailplanes in Potchefstroom at the Morado plant. This is the largest plant, which is about additional 10,000 square meters, additionally to our facilities at the airfield. And that excludes the facilities of the R&D partners of ours. So the other facilities are in Europe, so we have also facilities with our M&D partners and with our DG partners in Brussels. So I'm going to give you a small tour through it. So yeah, it's the main building, starting with our nice restaurant, which will be called ALIANTE, in Italian means glider. And this is for all our customers, visiting public, and also for our own employees here. So let's take a tour through the facilities. We're now entering the production line section. So the production line is fed by the supply line, which we just saw earlier. And this is now the line where all the parts are getting together and where the aircraft is actually constructed. We're leaving now the integration area, which is a semi-clean area, into a much cleaner area, which we call final assembly. This is where all the final parts are being constructed.
Here you can see the open office space of Jonker Sailplanes, where all the supporting office workers are located, and also people from JS's management team to support the production line. So what you can see here is a small garden area which is located in between the two assembly lines of the buildings here, and this can be used for a lunch break or also to have a nice beer after a full working day.